For more than a century, air shows have been thrilling audiences worldwide with everything from precision skydiving to vintage warbirds like the P-40 Warhawk, high-energy aerobatics, modern-day fighters like the F-22 Raptor, and of course, the precision and professionalism that makes up the Navy's Blue Angels and the Air Force's Thunderbirds. As we enter our 30th year of providing the very best in airshow support, David Schultz Airshows' team of air bosses, announcers, ground personnel, and jet team project officers look forward to continuing our outstanding professionalism and services to not only air shows held over remote locations like raceways and beachfronts, but also those held over civilian and military airfields. This year, we will be at no less than 6 new airshow sites with our team at the helm of Naval Base Ventura County, Point Mugu, Flint, Michigan, Dyess Air Force Base, Decatur, Alabama, Martinsburg, West Virginia, and Seymour Johnson Air Force Base. Whether it's a new site or one of our many existing show sites, our commitment to excellence in airshow operations is what makes us tops in ops.